What is up? Welcome back to round 2 of the Drift Championship. Yeah, today's been an awesome day so far. We obviously had briefing earlier this morning, and yeah, that was obviously very interesting. This track, we're using the back track of Mandela Park, which is quite unique. We've actually done a couple of runs in this 14 already, yesterday and also today. So let's cut to them. We'll catch you guys in a bit.
Nearly caught on fire.
We're now heading up for qualifying for our first run. Car's feeling pretty good. I think my worst 2 runs were just there. I didn't record them, but yeah, we put on some part warms. I think it was a bad idea. So we've got some fresh features on right now. We're heading up for qualifying. Yeah, let's try to go for a 90-point run. See.
here, guys. He's going to have to do it.
So fortunately we bow out in the top 16 against Alan Delaney. You know, I'm a bit disappointed, but I think it's just one of those kind of events, right? Like, we qualified very good, we get a 94-point run, kind of exactly what we needed to do, and when it mattered we just really couldn't pull it out of the bag. I'm still questioning why a wheel over the white line on initiation from the lead driver is okay. I don't see why that's the thing. They mentioned in briefing that it's allowed to put a wheel over a white line, so the judges are just doing their job, they're just saying what they're saying, but like, they're doing what they're saying, I suppose. But that doesn't make any sense to me, because, you know, the right line there, which was a 94-point run, which in my scenario was you know, a foot or so or whatever, half a metre off the white line, and that got a 94-point run. Whereas the driver we were up against, Alan, he got 17th, and he was probably in the mid-80s, he was probably in the low 80s. So, you know, when you look up lead for lead, I feel like our lead run was considerably better. Well, anyway, I have to look back to see what the lead runs were like. Obviously, they could have done a better job in the chase. I obviously dropped the wheel as well in the chase run, maybe twice. Definitely once in the chase run, definitely maybe once in the lead run. So things just didn't go our way. Bit of a rant, but it is what it is. That spacer is not great.
No.
Probably needs a new wheel bearing as well, I think. What does the Declan Byrne kick check say?
I know, take two.
Declan Byrne kick say?
Broken.
Yeah.
Do you know anyone that can drink 20 litres of fuel?
No.
My mate Jerry can.
What?
My mate Jerry can.
You want about this thing or what? I didn't even hear you.
For
I didn't get it. That's a good thing that I didn't get it. Probably is, to be honest. Right, we're going to leave it there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. We'll be back again in a couple of weeks' time for round 3 of IDC. For now, we're going to pack up with some stuff to do to the car. I might do a vlog in the next couple of weeks as well to catch you guys up. Maybe a day in the life or a day in the week or whatever, preparing a car. That's about it. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. A bit of a shorter video perhaps, but we will talk to you guys all very soon. Cheers.